So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash in Binance using your Gcash. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here in your Binance, all you have to do is go to your wallets. From your wallets, you'll have to go to funding, or you can go to spot actually. So either of the two. So here you want to go to P2P. So here in your P2P, all you want to do is buy or cash in Binance using your Gcash. You can do so. So here you go to the filters and then locate your Gcash. From there, confirm it and it will redirect to all Gcash transactions. So as you can see here, you can avail USDT at 57.55 at this rate, and you can buy using your Gcash highlighted in the lower right corner or in the right corner of the seller, and then just select whatever type of seller you want. So let's say you want to buy from here, and then from here you just want to buy by fiat or crypto. Enter your amount, select your payment method, which is your Gcash right here, and then buy USDT. Then it will process and to redirect you to your Gcash. So if that video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.